What are the must-see sites in Dubai? Where should you dine and where to explore? And when's the best time to visit? What's worth your time or what's okay to skip? How much will you spend? And how can you save money while traveling? I'll answer all of this in today's episode, an ultimate guide to Dubai, the city of the future. We'll cover how to get around, what to wear, the free attractions and fascinating facts, and a glimpse into Dubai's rich history. Hi, I'm Kate, and I've been living in Dubai for the last 4 years. Usually, I share insights from the countries around the world, but today I'm showing you my Dubai. Let's dive in, ready for an adventure, or as we say in the Emirates, yalla!
Dubai is one of the most luxurious cities in the world, where modern technology meets Asian traditions. It's home to the tallest building on Earth, surrounded by vast deserts and sprawling man-made islands. The world's biggest mall, the tallest tower, the largest aquarium, the deepest diving pool, and the grandest fountain. Dubai doesn't just dream big, it builds big.
So, you've landed in Dubai. First things first, how do you get to your hotel and where do you grab your SIM card?
If you're arriving at Terminal 1 or 3, hop on the Dubai Metro. It's fast, spotless, and super easy to navigate. Grab an old card. Silver card, 25 dirhams with the 90 dirhams preloaded. Gold card, same price but gives you access to the golden class cabins. There are 3 types of metro cabins: General, Gold class, and women and children only. Men in the pink cabins can face a 100 dirham fine, so watch the signs.
Dubai Metro is driverless, modern, and one of the cleanest in the whole world. Just don't drink, eat, or chew gum inside, or you'll get fined.
If you prefer taxis, keep the black Lexus VIPs. They cost triple. Stick to the city taxis with colored roofs. Airport-based fare, 25 dirhams. Arrive to Dubai Marina around 150 to 190 dirhams. Before skyscrapers, Dubai was a humble fishing village. Locals lived off pearl diving and trading, with homes built from coral gathered from the sea. And because so many of you ask where to stay in Dubai, I've got a great recommendation.
If you're new to Dubai or coming for a longer stay, check out Colife. We offer fully serviced apartments with everything included: Wi-Fi, DEWA, maintenance and tenant support, as well as community events, which are perfect if you just moved and want to make new friends. It's the ideal balance of comfort, community and convenience, especially for the newcomers. To see that history firsthand, visit Al Fahidi Historical Center. You'll find traditional Emirati homes there, perfumes made from amber, and fascinating cultural museums.
Then stroll over to Al Sif, a modern tribute to old Dubai. Narrow lanes, cafes, and one of the most beautiful Starbucks locations in the world. Montage, Al Haima Heritage Restaurant breakfast, 89 dirhams. Arabian tea house, 78 dirhams. Enjoy a traditional breakfast: fal, falafel, shakshuka, and fresh bread. And maybe get a henna tattoo while you wait. For a few dirhams, take an Abra boat across to the Gold Souk, a maze of gold, spices, and textiles. To wrap up your old Dubai tour, visit the Dubai Frame, connecting old and new Dubai. Tickets are just 55 dirhams. The best season? October to March. Mild weather, open air festivals, and seasonal attractions like Global Village and Miracle God. Summer temperatures can go to 50 degrees, so plan wisely. As for clothing, yes, Dubai is modern and welcoming, but modesty matters. Keep your shoulders and knees covered in most and public areas. For thrill seekers, the sky is the limit. Literally, try skydive Dubai for 2,599 dirhams over Palm Jumeirah, or a helicopter tour starting at 710. Prefer sand to ski? Go on a desert safari. Prices range from $60 to $400. Or sail into the sunset with a yacht rental for around $800 to $1,000. Budget option? A water taxi for just a few dirhams.
Dubai is a playground for food lovers, nightlife seekers, or anyone craving new experiences. From elegant rooftop restaurants with the city views to local cafes, beach clubs, and vibrant night spots, the city never sleeps. So, if you're wondering where to go to, I've created a complete Dubai entertainment guide where you can find the information not only about food and nightlife, but also anything to do around the city, from safari adventures or lounges to hidden gems and free attractions. To download it, use the link in the description below.
Dubai is pricey, but there's plenty to do for free. Explore art at DIFC or Al Sarkal Avenue, chill at City Walk, or enjoy natural sands at Kai Beach, open 24/7 and totally free. Visit Dubai Creek or Blue Lotus Island for its drone shows during the Dubai Shopping Festival. Or stroll through D3, the Dubai Design District, a creative playground of fashion, art, and innovation. The Museum of the Future is a must-see, a living symbol of Dubai's innovation. Book online early or visit the first floor for free. The Entertainer, 2-for-1 deals on meals and attractions. Latest Night Dubai, free drinks and discounts. Happy Hour, 4 to 7 p.m, half-price offers. Talabat and Kareem, food delivery and dine-out deals.
So now you've got all the tips to make the most of your Dubai adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss future travel guides. See you in the Emirates. Bye!